Hey kiddos, I'm back. On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I want to show you how I made this little origami frog. Let's get started. I'm going to begin by cutting this piece of origami paper in half. Then you can watch as I complete the folding steps to make my jumping frog. Remember, as you're watching my art videos at home, if they ever go too fast, you can always pause the video and rewind and rewatch as you complete your origami art at home. Watch how I make this origami jumping frog. There it is, friends, an origami jumping frog. I can't wait to see the artwork that you're making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.